It's the first week of August here in Bali. We are in Seminyak and it was rainy all night long, and actually still a little bit rainy right now. So don't ask me about the weather. I know it's supposed to be a dry and beautiful weather. However, it's a little bit rainy, similar like in Thailand, but this is Bali, not at Thailand. So I don't know, weather is changing, the climate change and stuff like this. Meanwhile, today we are in Seminyak at morning. It's about 9:30 at morning on the Eat Street in Seminyak. Let's see what's going on and how the life looks at morning, because usually we vlog afternoon or by night last 2 weeks. So it's the breakfast time actually right now for everyone who's staying in, you know, private villas or any other smaller hotels. You have to go out somewhere for breakfast. And we are trying to figure out where you guys are coming for the breakfast. Anyways, today we're gonna meet somebody for breakfast actually here in Seminyak. That's why we are making video at morning. So we're gonna show you one very nice place, but overall we would like to find out where people usually here making eating the breakfast. And meanwhile, the rain started very strong.
Yeah. Okay guys, in Seminyak also there is one shopping mall. Here it's called Seminyak Village, but I think that this is not, the shop are not open yet, you know, because it's still in the morning. But mostly, you know, when we walk here, we can see that people already, you know, coming out for breakfast. And yeah, it's nice to see, but the weather is raining. It's very strange, you know, because previous day it was a very bright sunny days. So yeah, this is it, Bali.
Here at the front we have a Monster Spoon. That's definitely is one of the place for the breakfast. Everyone who are looking for like you know, pastries and croissants, stuff like this, definitely you can find here. There is the Bossman, the Sister Fields, the Taxi. So it's raining overall, but definitely there are some people actually. They are hiding deep inside the restaurants. Because obviously it's rainy, and when it's rainy not many people wants to walk on the streets, right? And this stall at the front, what is always this motorbike with selling a nasi jingo or some sort of other products. This is the breakfast for the local style. Actually, you can also have a breakfast like this one, but mostly local people would enjoy breakfast from the stall.
Okay, so now we are in Jalan Kayu Aya Street. I think that this road is famous for the shopping centers for the ladies. You know, everywhere on the left and right side there are beautiful boutique shop. And you see, I think that in the morning they are starting to open the business slowly, but yeah.
That's good. But I don't know how you're gonna pass the street. Just be careful. Hello.
How are you?
So we have watched you right from the start.
Nice.
We used to watch a guy called Warren.
Nice.
He died,
Nice.
and then you guys come along.
Nice.
Thank you
nice.
so
We missed
much.
the first three, and we saw maybe your 200th episode. Was so,
Thank you, thank
my
you.
wife was here in April and just missed you at around here somewhere.
So overall condition is that as it's rainy and maybe not that many people passing by. However, we already met two fans. So this lovely family over here, thank you so much for saying hi. And also one lovely lady who also was eating breakfast, actually finished and say hi to us when she left. So happy to saying hi to you guys. And well, we are still looking where is the places for breakfast for you guys.
Yeah, so no matter what is the season or no matter what is the weather, we always make a video for you every single day.
Exactly.
Okay, so another breakfast spot is the Revolver. Yeah, the Revolver Cafe. You know, on the left side, we see that it's quite busy. And then, yeah, I think that many people also recommend this place. And you see, this is how it is. Seminyak Eat Street in the morning. So nice. People go here to buy coffee.
Actually quite many people. I used to also make a video last time here. So as we have a meeting, we're not gonna show you today inside, but this is the small street where you can enter to Cafe Revolver. So behind us is the Cafe Revolver, but also very interesting thing is as deep inside the gang, there is like a small street. There are so many villas where you could potentially stay during your holidays or maybe long term. So keep it in mind as they are hidden like deep inside the small gangs, small streets.
is like this area. You know, it's just like behind me, Kim Su. So I think that we will have a breakfast here because we will meet someone, our viewers also here in Kim Su. So seems like it's busy, and if you go there further will be sea circus and neon palm. So this area is also famous for the breakfast spot in Seminyak.
It's pretty hard to making a videos here because these boys approach me actually. They try to make something to me. I don't know, but meanwhile it seems like actually quite many people coming here for the breakfast, so that's happy days. So the place from outside looks like this one, very cozy place with the nice colors, and it's just next to the opposite of Samaya Hotel in Seminyak, guys. Our friend Costa from Greece stayed here last week or maybe 2 weeks ago, so happy days for you, mate. I hope so. You have a great memories. And also on the other side of the street is the Colonial Hotel. So this area is pretty nice for the breakfast actually, and seems like, well, even it's rainy, was rainy, but area is very popular, I could say.